Moko Technology Limited is an expert at PCB and PCBA manufacture, based in Shenzhen. We provide comprehensive solutions, including R&D support, prototype service, material sourcing, assembly, function test, burn-in test. We are always strive to provide the best service to our customers with creative solutions, stable product quality. We have served many well-known OEM customer who focuses on marketing and designing. Our products are mainly applied in the consumer electronics, security and safety, industrial, medical, network, automation, measurement, IoT devices, and other fields. With years of experience, we have gained a good reputation among clients in the electronic production field for reasonable prices, rich resources, and punctual delivery. Our manufacturing facilities include clean workshops and advanced high-speed SMT lines. Our chip placement precision can reach plus minus 0.1 mm on integrated circuit parts. It means we can deal with almost all kinds of integrated circuits, such as SO, SOP, SOJ, TSOP, and UBGA. Additionally, we can provide 0201 chip placement, through-hole component insertion, and finished product fabrication, test, and packing. We have got the ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 UL certificate. And we will carry on the management concept of superior quality, service-oriented, reputation first, to provide the best service in production and sales to our global customers. We are looking forward to be your long-term partner.